Francis Cavazos with the HB Zachary Orchestra doing a quick tutorial on the bass for dance of the reed pipes. So hopefully you could see the tapes on here. They're kind of marked and they'll be set to go. You can also see my cables and plugs over there. Woohoo! Okay, so we're starting measure 1, 2, and 3 that are all the same. There are a lot of open strings, but you have your high A on the G. Have your first finger there. So D, A, 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 D, A, A, A. Same thing. D, A, 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 E, E, A, A. You have C sharp. So on the A string, C sharp, C sharp, D, D, open E, E, F sharp is 1, 4, F sharp, G, open G, G sharp, G sharp, A, 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 A. Measure 9, back to, it's the same as 1, 2, 3. You have D, A, 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 D, A, 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 D, A, 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 E, E, A, A. C sharp, C sharp, D, D. Then you have E sharp, which is the same as F natural. So here's your F natural on the E. Here's your F natural on the D string. Then you have F sharp, so it's your regular one. And then F sharp, G sharp, G sharp, A, A, B, B, and then A. Then here you have arco. Your fingers are G, 2, 3, E, C natural, C sharp, F sharp, E, E. You have a C sharp next, so you're going to do 4 finger C sharp, open A, B, D, C sharp, and then A, 22, C sharp, A. So the next part, you could just do, instead of doing your chromatic down here, da 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 da, where you have C sharp, D, D sharp, E, or doing C sharp, D, D sharp, E, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. I like that shift better, or sorry, I like that shift better because you have time from the open D string to move back. So try that first. You have C sharp, D, D sharp, E. You have 3 times. C, D, D sharp, E, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, A. Then it goes back to the beginning. Measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After measure 6, you have a to coda. So 20, at the end of 24, you have a DCL coda, which means you go to the top to where it tells you to go to the coda. So 24, you go back to measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go down to 25. You have a G, so a low G, rest, and then a low G, A, D, and that's the whole entire dance of the reed pipes. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Hopefully you were able to tell the fingers and it helped out. So cool. Have a super awesome day.